Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, we will be dealing with the Advocate General for the state. Now see section 165 of the Constitution of India is dealing with Advocate General for the state. This particular article corresponds to Article 76, which is dealing with what? It is dealing with the Attorney General for the Union. The only difference between these two articles is the absence of clause 3 of article 76 in the present article, that is 165, which gives right of audience to the Attorney General in all courts in the territory of India. You people might have studied article 76 properly, तो आप समझ गए होंगे. Now see, the Advocate General can only be a person who is qualified to be appointed a judge of a high court. The qualifications of a judge of a high court are prescribed under which article? You people tell me in the comment box. जो क्वालिफिकेशन होती है हाई कोर्ट की जज की, वो कौन से सेक्शन के आर्टिकल के अंदर प्रिस्क्राइब्ड है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया के? टेल मी पीपल इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. Now, see, the Advocate General is also entitled to take part in the proceedings of the state legislature. For this, you people can refer Article 177 of the Constitution of India. अगर मैं बीच में सेक्शन बोल दे रही हूँ, do not get confused. I am talking about article only. Section दूसरी चीज होती है and article is something else. Okay, do not get confused. I am talking about Constitution of India. So, क्या होगा यहाँ पे? आर्टिकल्स से रिलेटेड हम बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? नाउ सी clause 1 of article 165, what it says? It says that the governor of each state shall appoint a person who is qualified to be appointed a judge of a high court to be a advocate general for the state. What it says now? It says that the advocate general can only be a person who is qualified to be appointed a judge of a high court. Qualifications के बारे में अगर आपको देखना है, again I will say refer the article. The qualification of a judge of a high court वाली आप आर्टिकल को देखो, आप लोग खुद समझ जाओगे. अब इसका क्लॉज 2 क्या बोलता है आर्टिकल 165 का? This one is very much important. See people, ये बोलता है कि it shall be the duty of advocate general. कि क्या ड्यूटी होगी एडवोकेट जनरल की? वो ये ड्यूटी है कि to give advice to the government of the state upon such legal matters and to perform such other duties of a legal character as may from time to time be referred or assigned to him by the governor, and to discharge the functions conferred on him by or under the constitution or any other law for the time being in force. वो उनकी क्या है? ड्यूटी है एडवोकेट जनरल की कि वो एडवाइस दे किनको? गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द स्टेट को लीगल मैटर्स से रिलेटेड, एंड परफॉर्म करे ड्यूटी लाइक अ लीगल कैरेक्टर एज टाइम टू टाइम जो भी उन्हें ड्यूटी दी गई है और असाइन करा गया है गवर्नर के द्वारा. एंड वो क्या करेंगे? फंक्शंस जो उनके फंक्शंस हैं which is being conferred on him by the constitution or any other law for the time being in force, he will be fulfilling that duty accordingly. Simple. ये आपको by reading ही आपको समझ में आया होगा कि ये क्लॉज बोल क्या रहा है. नाउ इसका क्लॉज 3 क्या बात करता है आर्टिकल 165 का? It says that the advocate general shall hold office during the pleasure of the governor and shall receive such remuneration as the governor may determine. What it says? It says that, so ये clause 3 का मतलब क्या है? Advocate General, he is holding the office during the pleasure of the governor and he will be accordingly receiving the remuneration as the governor may determine. Now the relationship between the Advocate General and the state government is essentially that of an advocate and a client in relation to his appearance in the courts and arguing the case before the courts on behalf of the state. Therefore, the fee for such cases may be settled between the government and the Advocate General by rules or notifications. You people prefer yourself Article 165 of the Constitution of India for studying the Advocate General for the state. So this was all about this video, and if you people have any doubt, do let me know below in the comment box, and do like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much.